In a realm where time and eternity coalesced, where the boundaries of the known merged with the expanse of the unknown, there existed a legendary tale, the story of Raj, a seeker of wisdom and enlightenment, whose journey transcended the ages and resonated with souls across the cosmos. Raj's insatiable thirst for knowledge and understanding began in the heart of a village adorned with quaint beauty. From the tender age when he first beheld the night sky's ethereal dance, he yearned to unravel the mysteries of existence. Raj's mind was an ever-blooming garden of curiosity, his soul a canvas yearning for the brush of enlightenment's paint. Endless days turned into years as Raj immersed himself in the teachings of the village sages, philosophers, and wise souls from distant lands. Yet, even amidst the vast treasure trove of knowledge he accumulated, a nagging void gnawed at his core. He yearned for a profound connection with the universe, a oneness that would liberate his soul from the shackles of ignorance. One auspicious night, celestial whispers reached Raj's ears, caressing his soul with the tale of a sage dwelling atop Mount Celestia. This sage, the keeper of ancient wisdom, held the key to unlocking the universe's mysteries. The call was undeniable, an ethereal beckoning that tugged at Raj's heartstrings, summoning him to embark on a transcendent odyssey. In the sacred silence of the night, Raj shared his epiphanic calling with Mia, a kindred spirit whose soul danced in harmony with his own. Mia, too, had always felt a mystical bond with the universe, and their friendship had blossomed like the petals of a cosmic flower. Together, they pledged to embark on a journey of self-discovery and enlightenment, their souls entwined in a celestial dance. The path to Mount Celestia was an uncharted odyssey, a voyage through enchanted forests, across perilous ravines, and over majestic mountains. They traversed through lands untouched by human feet, guided by the stars and the whispering winds that carried the echoes of ancient truths. Their pilgrimage was a dance with destiny, an exploration of the macrocosm and microcosm alike. As they ventured forth, they encountered trials and tribulations that mirrored the very fabric of their inner selves. Each challenge carried a profound message, a lesson in humility, resilience, and the unyielding interconnectedness of life. Through darkness and dawn, through moments of despair and triumph, Raj and Mia persevered with unwavering determination. Their spirits were bound together by an unbreakable thread of compassion and trust which illuminated the darkest corners of their souls. After an arduous ascent that felt like a lifetime's journey, they finally reached the sacred summit of Mount Celestia. The sage's abode stood veiled in celestial mists, radiating an aura of eternal wisdom. Raj and Mia's hearts swelled with trepidation and reverence as they approached the sage dwelling. The sage, a figure of timeless grace, welcomed them with eyes that held the memories of galaxies. His words were not spoken but conveyed through the language of the soul. In his presence, Raj and Mia felt the resonance of infinite universes and the whisper of eternity. Inviting them inside, the sage offered each of them a cup of tea. To their bewilderment, the sage poured the tea into cups that appeared to be brimming with liquid. Raj, ever the seeker, could not contain his curiosity and asked, "Why would you pour tea into full cups?" The sage, with a smile that mirrored the cosmic dance, replied, "The cups are not full, my young seekers. They represent the human mind. To attain true enlightenment, you must first empty your cups, be open and receptive to new ideas and insights." In that profound moment, Raj and Mia realized the essence of the sage's teaching. True wisdom could not be attained by hoarding knowledge, but by letting go of preconceptions and attachments. Like an empty cup, they needed to embrace the vastness of the unknown, inviting the universe to fill them with eternal truths. In the days that followed, the sage guided Raj and Mia on an inner journey that transcended time and space. They delved deep into their souls, peeling away layers of ego and illusions. The sage teachings were not mere words but a dance of cosmic truths, echoing through the ages and echoing within their hearts. As they absorbed the sage teachings, Raj and Mia underwent a metamorphosis that mirrored the universe's evolution. They shed the armor of ignorance and their souls shone like the radiant stars. Their perspective expanded, encompassing the boundless expanse of creation, realizing that they were but stardust in the cosmic symphony. With hearts aglow and souls alight, Raj and Mia bid farewell to the sage, forever indebted to his infinite wisdom. They descended from Mount Celestia, carrying the flame of enlightenment within their beings, a beacon of hope and inspiration to guide others on their journeys. Back in their village, Raj and Mia's tale spread like wildfire, inspiring generations to embark on their own quests for truth and understanding. Their legacy became a timeless saga, transcending the boundaries of space and time, a tapestry of human awakening and cosmic exploration. In the annals of history, Raj and Mia became archetypes of the human spirit's boundless potential, seekers of wisdom, lovers of truth, and cosmic dreamers. Their tale reminded humanity that the pursuit of knowledge was not a solitary endeavor but a symphony of souls dancing in harmony with the universe. So, dear reader, let the tale of Raj and Mia be a guiding star on your own journey of self-discovery and enlightenment. Embrace the wisdom of the empty cup, for within its emptiness lies the infinity of the cosmos, waiting to be discovered by those brave enough to traverse the horizons of their souls. As the ages turn and the stars continue their celestial dance, may Raj and Mia's story be a timeless reminder of humanity's boundless potential, a luminous beacon of inspiration that echoes through eternity, urging us to dance with the cosmos and embrace the enigma of existence.